Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Deco Magic Colour Me gel with a gel food colouring. First of all, you need to take the gel and its contents out of the wallet. You'll have a gel pouch, instruction sheets and a card. The card has a piping bag attached for you to use later in your decorating needs. There is also a diagram of where to cut the card if you want to place a nozzle, as well as instructions on how to fold the card so you can get the gel out of the pouch. There are instruction sheets on how to mix the gel with the food colours. So the first thing we're going to do is fold the card and use it to push the gel up so that we can cut with a pair of scissors. And we're going to place some of this into a bowl. Today I'm mixing through an Ameri colour gel food colouring into our Colour Me metallic gel. Put in a few squirts of the gel and with a teaspoon just mix it into the gel, pushing against the side of the bowl and scraping down so all the colour mixes through. You can add as much or as little gel colour as you like. For really vibrant colours, I suggest you use powder colour, as I find these give a stronger colour result. Just keep mixing until you're happy with the colour that has been achieved. I wanted to show you that this actually works. So I've taken an Easter stencil and placed it over an icing sheet, and I'm now using the Colour Me gel just like I would use normal Deco Original Magic. And I'm stenciling. I'm using a small palette knife to start with, cranked handle, to put the gel onto the stencil. Then I'm going to go back over the top with a bigger cranked handle palette knife to scrape as much excess gel off the icing sheet. You will find that you actually don't use much Colour Me gel doing this. And when you're happy with the result of scraping, you can then get a paring knife and lift the stencil off the icing sheet. I then leave this to completely dry. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.